USS Harry S. Truman, CVN-75, is a Nimitz-class aircraft carrier in the United States Navy. Commissioned in 1998. It's a floating airbase, capable of deploying and recovering over 60 aircraft, including F/A-18 Hornets, Super Hornets, EA-18G Growlers, and E-2 Hawkeyes, propelled by 2 nuclear reactors. It can operate for over 20 years without refueling. The Truman's primary mission is power projection, providing a forward-based, rapidly deployable strike force. It also participates in humanitarian aid and disaster relief operations. It's equipped with advanced defense systems to protect against various threats.